My name is Sammy. I'm a restorative dentist located in Southern California and the owner of a dental educational channel called Smile Influencers. This case shows a broken tooth on a mannequin. The blue stuff that I'm using is phosphoric acid etchant, which essentially prepares the tooth for bonding. The blue putty that you see here is a hydrophilic VPS impression material. Here you can see us using composite resin to replace that missing tooth structure. After, I use a series of discs to polish the filling to make sure there's no ledges and make sure that it's as smooth as possible.